If you think that there are not enough DevRel jobs right now, you are wrong. And if you think DevRel is job of the future and not at the present, again you are mistaken. There are abundant DevRel opportunities open right now that you can actually apply and get hired. Well, let's look at the few places where you can check out these job openings, and you will also find all of these links in the resources section as well. You will find these, I will keep on updating these links accordingly, and you will get a announcement of the same. But keep checking all of these, portals that I'll share now, time and again. Apply depending upon your geographical location, experience level, and I'm sure this will be of really good help if you are really looking right now into the DevRel domain. So the screen that you see right now is one from Google. So Google was hiring for associate developer advocate, a developer advocate, senior developer advocate, a staff developer advocate, and a senior staff one. So uh, this link you will actually find, what exactly is the expectation, right? If you are actually, let's say, if I look for a senior developer advocate, what is the expectation? So in the technical quality, you should independently scope flexible programs, technical solution, and guide the team to improve content quality, etc. Then participates in projects that touch the Slack priorities beyond the platform. And then in terms of collaboration, you have to participate in foster a culture of collaboration and support and all of that. In the execution, you have to do a lot of things like engage in the evaluation for past work, use them to inform future work, all that stuff. So do check out this one. And then we have CMX Hub jobs. There are a lot of good community jobs that you will find over here, like community lead, uh, community builder, digital engagement and social media manager. All of these. So pretty good one. This one is as well a new platform, and you'll find some new exciting jobs over here. And then we have community manager jobs.com. As well, you have relx.com/jobs. So let's say, for example, senior manager in developer relations at HashiCorp. If you are based in US, you're looking for a remote opportunity, this is the one. A head of developer community at Ithaika. Wow. A developer advocate at maybe tech evangelist at ZenML. Amazing. Developer advocate at Cloud Native at Cisco. So let's if you want to read more. So it's based out of San Jose and more or less a remote one, but this will as well give you a complete information about the job, what you will work with, who you should be, the ideal candidate, what exactly you will do, the minimum qualifications and the desired skills, and then you can go ahead and apply now. Awesome. There is this platform called jobsindevrel.com. Again, totally focused on the DevRel jobs. You know, as of the Flesky is hiring for the head of developer relations, and around $80K as a beginner. Awesome. So pretty good. Next, there is a DevRel collective.fun, and then there is a job portal. So you can, jobs collection, community manager, all of that you can find over here at DevRel Collective. Daryl, weekly as well, you'll maybe get some information about the job openings, but probably this is more of a reading resource. We'll go more onto it. Then there is a Devrel jobs. This was jobs in Devrel, and this one is Devrel jobs, which as well you should subscribe, and you can keep on. You can upload a CV over here, right? And then you can find out the jobs as well. Regular platforms that you generally use, like Indeed, you will find amazing jobs as a developer. For example, Google is hiring a developer relations engineer for Chrome and developer tools. Look at the package, look at the salary, over $130K in a year. So awesome. I mean, it's a really, really high paying job. Oracle is hiring as the head of developer relations. Wow. So as well, I mean, pretty good. NVIDIA is hiring Formidable Labs. Look at the package. If you are joining as a director, of the open source and community engagement, you get close to $200,000 in a year. Pretty awesome. Moreover, we have devocate.com. It's again totally focused on developer relations and developer advocate jobs. So you get a director of developer relations. Um, we have Collate, we have Fusion Auth, who are all hiring for the developer advocates, which is a branch of the developer relations. Look out in big companies like Amazon, even here, Amazon is hiring for developer advocates, a senior developer advocate based in France, based in US, principal developer advocate, AWS, if you use AWS a lot and you want to actually, rather than just being a developer, you want to enter the developer relations domain, this was pretty awesome space. Uh, so senior developer is as well awesome. If you go to LinkedIn and check out all the jobs, pretty good. If you look in India, let's say, Google in India is hiring developer relations engineer, for data analytics. Um, Consensus is hiring for developer relations evangelist. We have Qualcomm hiring for, and then we have Swiggy hiring. Awesome. And then we have again Google hiring for Android and Google Play, for Chrome. Web3 Auth is hiring. Awesome. And then if you look the United States, let's say for example, Near INC is hiring for senior engineer developer relations. Wow, Google is hiring there as well. Digital Ocean is hiring for director of DevRel. And then we have QA Wolf hiring developer relations evangelist. So you scroll through these and you'll find a lot of different job titles that these organizations hire for. You can get hired for developer relations evangelist. You can get hired for director of developer relations, uh, developer relations engineer, developer relations advocate. Lot of job titles, but it all comes under that big umbrella of developer relations. And this will give you a great start to, first of all, apply for jobs. And second, if you're not actively looking for a job, but you are looking, as an aspirant for getting into DevRel, you will see what requirements are there, what actually Google is looking for in an engineer to get hired into the DevRel role, what Amazon is looking for, what small companies like, if any small company is looking for to get into the DevRel role, what are the qualifications minimum, what are the expectations of the role. All of this you can find it over here. All of these links will be shared in the resources section, so do check them out, and I'm sure this gave you a great idea of the current DevRel job market.